Google is quietly but surely winning the AI race. While OpenAI and other startups often steal the spotlight, Google is building something more powerful, more scalable, and more valuable. The company is not just riding the AI wave, it is steering it. Every single day, Google processes over 13.7 billion search queries. That's not a monthly or weekly count, it's a daily count. By comparison, OpenAI handles about 2.5 billion prompts each day. Even if ChatGPT claims about 800 million weekly active users, Google's reach is far wider. Google commands over 5 billion users worldwide and boasts 2 billion monthly active users on search alone. This scale gives Google a unique advantage. It can roll out AI products to billions of users instantly through existing channels. No new app downloads, there is no learning curve. It can upgrade the user experience for billions overnight with a single feature rollout. That level of reach is unprecedented. Google also enjoys long-term user loyalty. People default to Google for nearly everything: finding information, navigating routes, checking email, organizing documents, watching videos, and backing up photos. This habitual behavior builds a deep moat that competitors simply cannot easily breach. Google is seamlessly embedding AI directly into its products. One of the biggest shifts is the rollout of AI overviews in Google Search. These AI generated summaries appear at the top of search results page and offer users actual answers rather than a list of links. It changes how users interact with search in a big way. For example, when somebody searches, is a after food blood glucose level of 190 okay? The AI overview offers a precise answer in seconds. No need to scan through pages of websites. No distractions, just a clear, informative response that directly addresses the user's intent. This convenience dramatically increases user engagement. People are more likely to issue follow-up queries when they feel their previous questions were answered accurately and efficiently. By offering real-time AI-generated responses, Google not only boosts satisfaction but also encourages deeper interaction. Users start asking more nuanced conversational questions, a shift that naturally feeds into the use of AI mode, Google's version of a chatbot interface. As overviews gains popularity, users organically transition to AI mode for even more detailed, contextual, and multi-turn answers. This creates a loop where engagement leads to more queries, which in turn leads to increased adoption of AI features across search. As revealed in Alphabet's Q2 results, the AI overviews are already increasing the number of queries Google handles by more than 10%. That's a massive uptick considering Google already handles billions of searches a day. AI mode has already reached over 100 million monthly active users, mainly in the US and in India. AI mode not only offers natural language interactions like ChatGPT but is now being optimized for context awareness. Future versions are expected to include memory, enabling users to have flowing multi-turn conversations. This could be especially powerful when paired with Google's knowledge search and search index. Moreover, Google Lens searches have grown 70% year over year, and many of these are entirely new use cases. This shows that multimodal AI search using images, audio, and text is growing rapidly and is in high demand. Unlike its rivals like OpenAI and Perplexity, Google's strength doesn't lie in one product. It lies in its entire ecosystem. Search, Gmail, Maps, Docs, YouTube, Android, Drive, Chrome. Every one of these services now integrates Gemini AI. This makes the user experience smarter, smoother, and more helpful across the board. Google can leverage all of these products to introduce AI naturally. Whether it is suggesting email responses in Gmail, summarizing documents in Docs, or enhancing search results with AI, Google is not introducing AI as a separate product. It is enhancing the services that people already use every single day. Competitors like OpenAI or Perplexity lack this integration. They offer a standalone chatbot. In contrast, as I said earlier, Google offers an ecosystem. Gemini is being infused into Android where users can run queries from their home screen. It is being built into Google Photos, allowing AI-powered search within images. It is layered into Google Docs for summarization and content generation. This vertical AI integration gives Google a massive lead in user retention. Google also holds a major edge in monetization. While OpenAI relies on a $20 per month subscription, Google's services are mostly free. And yet, Google makes billions of dollars by monetizing attention through ads. Its ad engine is time tested, precise, and high margin. With AI overviews keeping users on Google's search page longer, Google can place ads directly within AI responses. It already has the infrastructure and relationships with millions of advertisers to do this effectively. Moreover, by keeping users on its platform, Google retains 100% of the revenue. When AI overviews provide direct answers to queries, users are less likely to click away into external websites. This shift reduces traffic to third-party pages and keeps interactions within Google's controlled environment. Unlike its ad network, where it shares up to 55% of the ad revenue with third-party websites and content publishers, AI-enhanced search keeps users fully engaged within Google's ecosystem. As a result, Google not only enhances user experience but also strengthens its revenue base. Instead of distributing advertising earnings across a vast network of websites, Google captures the entire value chain when users stay within on their own search page. Every click and every impression within AI overviews and AI mode translates into advertising dollars that flow entirely to Google. This significantly boosts its profit margins while also creating a more efficient ad model. Advertisers using Google's AI-powered tools are already seeing results. Over 2 million advertisers now use AI-generated ad assets. Those activating AI Max are seeing 14% higher conversions. This kind of ROI increases stickiness among advertisers. These AI-powered tools benefit both sides of the equation. For advertisers, they remove much of the manual effort in creating, testing, and optimizing ads. Google's AI can automatically generate headlines, descriptions, images, and even video content tailored to a target audience. It can A/B test variations at scale, select the best performing combinations in real time, and dynamically optimize ad placements based on user behavior and intent. This leads to better reach, more relevant ads, and ultimately improved return on ad spend. For Google, these tools drive more advertiser engagement and higher spend per campaign. As campaigns become more effective, advertisers are willing to increase their budgets, generating more revenue for Google. It also improves the quality of ads shown to the users, making the experience less intrusive and more aligned with their interests. This in turn boosts click-through rates and engagement. This virtuous cycle enhances Google's core business model and reinforces its leadership in digital advertising. Importantly, the increased revenue Google earns from AI-powered ad tools and its AI-enhanced search page translates into stronger cash flows. This financial strength allows Google to reinvest aggressively into further improving its AI infrastructure, models, and user experience. Whether it's funding next-generation TPUs, scaling data center capacity, or expanding Gemini's capabilities across its product suite, this reinvestment loop keeps Google at the forefront of AI innovation. More revenue means more resources to build a better platform. This attracts more users and advertisers, further strengthening Google's AI leadership. Another underappreciated strength is Google's full stack control. Unlike rivals that rely heavily on NVIDIA for GPUs, Google has built its own custom tensor processing units or the TPUs. These chips are optimized specifically for Gemini and other AI workloads. This means Google can scale more affordably. It can tweak its hardware to deliver better performance for its own models. It avoids supply chain bottlenecks and maintains tighter cost control. This level of vertical integration gives Google an edge in performance, reliability, and economics. Google's AI products now process over 980 trillion tokens monthly, more than double the volume from just a few months ago. Without in-house chips, scaling this efficiently would be nearly impossible. This approach is similar to what Apple has successfully done. Apple transitioned from Intel processors to its own M1 and M2 chips. This enabled tighter integration between hardware and software for Apple. It led to significant improvements in performance, battery efficiency, and thermal management, and also reduced dependence on external suppliers. It allowed Apple to deliver better products at lower costs and with greater design flexibility. Similarly, Google's use of TPUs allows it to build AI systems that are tightly aligned with its models and infrastructure. This results in lower latency, better throughput, and reduced energy consumption. In a world where AI compute demands are skyrocketing, such control is not just a luxury, it's a competitive advantage. Google Cloud is now one of the Google's biggest growth drivers. In Q2 2025, revenue surged 32% year over year to $13.6 billion US. The operating income more than doubled to $2.8 billion. Its cloud backlog has reached $106 billion, up 38% from the year before. One important differentiator for Google Cloud is its AI-first approach. Gemini is deeply integrated into the platform, making it easy for enterprises to build AI tools. Customers are also turning to Google to help manage multi-cloud environments. The recent $32 billion acquisition of Wiz strengthens the positioning of Google in supporting multi-cloud environments involving AWS and Azure as well. Google is also pushing into AI agents, those intelligent bots that can automate workflows across industries. Companies like Target and Wayfair are already building internal agents on Google Cloud. This opens up new monetization opportunities well beyond traditional SaaS models. With over 1 million subscriptions to its agent space platform, Google is laying the groundwork for a future where businesses run digital agents for HR, finance, customer service, and IT, all powered by Gemini. Agent Space is Google's AI agent management environment that helps developers build, deploy, and monitor task-specific agents across enterprise workflows. Google One, the company's subscription bundle, now includes Gemini AI. It offers 2 TB of cloud storage, access to advanced AI tools including Gemini with 2.5 Pro, Notebook LM, and VO3, productivity enhancements in Docs and Gmail, and much more. In the US, it's priced at $20 per month, same as ChatGPT, but with vastly more included. This bundling strategy strengthens retention. While OpenAI offers just a chatbot with its Pro or Plus subscription, for the same price, Google offers a suite of essential tools plus AI as well. Users get more value and Google gets stickier revenue. Gemini AI is also becoming the default assistant on Android phones, replacing Google Assistant. This gives it further exposure to billions of devices and pushes AI engagement across user tasks such as reminders, summaries, voice inputs, navigation, and recommendations. Despite its AI leadership, Alphabet remains undervalued compared to its peers. At the time of recording of this video, it trades at a forward PE of 19.6x, while Meta sits at 27.7x and Microsoft at 34x. Its PEG ratio is 1.31x, which is near perfect for growth investors. One discounted cash flow model pegs the stock's intrinsic value at 407 per share, implying over 110% upside. Even with elevated capital expenditures expected to hit $85 billion in 2025, Alphabet funds all of it internally. Free cash flow over the past year was $67 billion, with zero reliance on outside capital. That financial strength gives Google the stability to withstand market fluctuations and flexibility to invest aggressively in future technologies without needing to raise external funds. Alphabet also spent $13.3 billion in Q2 to buy back its own shares from the stock market. This helped increase the value of remaining shares. It has also set aside another $70 billion to continue buying back more shares in the future. The company pays dividends and still has $95 billion in cash. So Google is no longer just a search engine. It is becoming an intelligent platform. Every service it offers is now infused with AI. Unlike competitors, Google is not experimenting with AI, it is scaling it. With unmatched reach, the most advanced monetization engine, full stack infrastructure, and product level integration, Google is executing an AI strategy that few others can replicate. It is winning not just because of technology but because of scale, experience, and ecosystem. It has the widest user base, it has the most data, it has 2 decades of experience in ad monetization. It controls its hardware, software, and cloud stack, and it is embedding AI where people already spend time every day. That's why Google is not just surviving the AI wave, it is defining it. It is ahead of the pack and pulling further away with every quarter. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.